Hey, have you ever checked your bank account and thought, where did all my money go? Or maybe you make a decent income but still struggle to save. Trust me, you're not alone. Most people are making huge money mistakes without even realizing it. And these mistakes could be the reason why you're stuck in the same financial cycle, paycheck to paycheck, with little to no savings. But here's the good news. Fixing these mistakes isn't as hard as you might think. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 biggest financial mistakes people make, and more importantly, how to fix them. Stick around till the end, because mistake 5 is the one that traps the most people, and you might be making it right now. Before we dive in, if you're serious about improving your finances, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with a friend who needs to hear this. Alright, let's jump in. Mistake 1, not having a budget. Let's be real, budgeting sounds boring. But here's the thing, if you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear without a trace. Imagine this. You get your paycheck on Friday, you go out for a nice dinner, maybe buy something you've been eyeing for a while. Then, a week later, you check your balance and suddenly you're broke again. Sound familiar? That's what happens when you don't have a budget. Without a budget, you'll never truly know where your money is going, and that makes it impossible to save or invest properly. How to fix it? Start using the 50-30-20 rule, 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. Use apps like YNAB, Mint, or EveryDollar to track your spending. Be intentional with your money. Give every dollar a job before you spend it. Mistake 2, not having an emergency fund. Life happens, your car breaks down, you lose your job, medical bills pop up. And if you don't have money set aside for emergencies, guess what? You'll be forced to rely on credit cards or loans, sinking further into debt. Picture this. You're cruising through life thinking everything is fine. Then bam! Your car suddenly breaks down and the repair bill is $1,200. No problem, right? Just put it on the credit card. But now you're stuck with high-interest debt that keeps growing, and before you know it, you're drowning in payments. Debt is expensive. Without an emergency fund, you're setting yourself up for financial disaster. How to fix it? Start small, aim for at least $1,000 as a starter emergency fund. Then, work your way up to 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Keep it in a separate, easy-to-access savings account, not your regular checking account where you'll be tempted to spend it.
Mistake 3.
Relying too much on debt.
Debt is like quicksand. The more you step into it, the harder it is to escape.
Think about it. Credit cards, buy now, pay later, car loans, personal loans. It's so easy to swipe now and worry about it later. Until later comes, and your monthly payments are sucking up half your paycheck. High-interest debt, especially from credit cards, can keep you stuck in a cycle of paying off interest instead of actually building wealth. How to fix it? Stop using credit for things you can't afford to pay off immediately. Use the debt snowball method. Pay off the smallest debt first for momentum, or the debt avalanche method. Pay off the highest interest debt first to save money. Focus on becoming debt-free as soon as possible, so you can start building wealth instead of paying interest. Mistake 4, not investing for the future. A lot of people think saving money is enough. But here's the thing, if you're just keeping cash in a savings account, inflation is eating away at its value every single day. Imagine this, you put $10,000 in your savings account today. In 20 years, thanks to inflation, that same $10,000 might only buy you half of what it could today. Meanwhile, if you had invested it wisely, it could have grown into $50,000 or even $100,000. Saving alone won't build wealth. Investing is how you make your money work for you. How to fix it? If your job offers a 401k or retirement plan with a match, take it. It's free money. Start investing in index funds, ETFs, or real estate. Learn about compound interest. The earlier you start, the more your money grows. Mistake 5, not having a long-term financial plan. Most people live paycheck to paycheck without ever thinking about the future. That's why so many people end up struggling in retirement. Imagine you're 65, ready to retire, and suddenly realize you don't have enough money. Now, instead of enjoying your golden years, you're stuck working a job you hate just to survive. Scary, right? Without a financial plan, you'll never know if you're saving enough for the future. How to fix it? Set clear financial goals, whether it's buying a house, retiring early, or traveling the world. Plan ahead by using retirement calculators to estimate how much you need. Consider talking to a financial advisor if you need help. All right, let's do a quick recap. The 5 biggest money mistakes you should avoid are 1. Not having a budget. 2. Not saving for emergencies. 3. Relying too much on debt. 4. Not investing for the future. 5. Not having a long-term financial plan. So, which of these mistakes have you made? And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money tips that'll help you build wealth and take control of your financial future. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.